Good afternoon, teens, and welcome back to The Bored Librarian. Miss Justin is back, and today I'm going to show you how to decorate this adorable mason jar. So to celebrate National Library Week, we have decided to decorate this adorable mason jar with some book pages. So in your teen takeout kits, you will have everything you will need. You'll need a mason jar, paintbrush, some Mod Podge, and book pages that have been cut into circular shapes. And we also included a little flameless tea light to add some ambiance to your final project. All right, so let's get started. First things first, and this is completely optional, you can take some rubbing alcohol and clean the outside of the jar to get rid of any residue or any oils from fingertips and stuff like that, just so you have a clean surface to work on as you're adding on the Mod Podge. Next, working from the bottom of the jar, you're going to apply a small amount of Mod Podge to the bottom portion, as you can see I'm doing so right now. Next, you're going to apply the book pages on top of the Mod Podge that you have on the jar. I would recommend working in small batches, maybe 2 at a time, because you're also going to want to take your paintbrush and apply a little bit of the glue on top of the book page that you have glued down already. As you can see, a little does go a long way. So again, I'd work at a very kind of slow pace and make sure that it's nice and even, and that you apply small amounts at a time so it doesn't get completely full with glue. And from here on, it's pretty easy, and you're just going to continue this step and you're going to work your way up depending on how you want your book pages to look. If you want a more tighter scallop look, I recommend making it glue closer together and not further apart. But again, you kind of have to eye your project out as you go along, and it's basically how you want to decorate your mason jar. But you just kind of repeat the steps until you completely cover the jar. And there you have it, folks, our final product. I hope you had just as much fun as I did decorating these mason jars, and happy National Library Week. Hope to see you soon, and join me next time on another episode of The Bored Librarian. Thanks for tuning in.